I will be doing a traditional Jamaican breakfast, okra and salt fish. So in the pot, I'm sauteing onions and ginger root and scallion. And to that, I'm going to add farm fresh okra, just about 1.5 to 2 cups. And I'm just going to saute it to get off that frozen, the moisture that has been frozen. I'm just going to saute that for about 2 to 3 minutes on high heat. And after about 3 minutes, guys, all the moisture should have fried off. And I'm just going to add garlic, and I will add to that the carrots. Now this needs a little bit more time to cook than the other vegetables, so I'll add these first. I'm just gonna add about half cup of water to it, cover it, and I will allow it to just steam, and then I'll come back and show you what this awesomeness looks like. Eat a Jamaican breakfast. We don't do continental breakfast, guys. That's not us. That's not Jamaican. We cook up our food in the mornings so that you can have a heart healthy breakfast, right? So after 2 minutes, that's what it looks like. If you notice, the water is actually evaporating out, and it's coming down back to a stir fry. That's where you want to get it before you add your codfish. Add in your codfish, people, because you want to get back your vegetable to a stir fry. So allow the moisture to fry off, evaporate out, and then, people, we're gonna nice it up now. Put in your blended season, heat it at this nice. We're gonna put in your bell peppers. You can choose whatever color bell pepper. I just prefer green and red. You can use yellow, whatever your choice is really up to you. It's just for flavor and for color, for presentation wise. You know, so you eat with your eyes, so your food have to sort out and it have to look good. So you continue to stir fry this, and you're just gonna just add powdered season and your butter to this, and it basically finished. Remember, guys, your salt fish, you have to, if you're buying the salt fish, please wash off the salt, then boil it out for about 3 times, people. Get out all of the salt out of it, wash it off each time before you actually take out the bones, especially if you have kids. Take out the bone, and your breakfast Jamaican style ready. First, I'm gonna add our tomatoes to it. It's the small tomatoes. I just dice them up in 4. It's a small tomatoes, because that's what I can get in the shop right now. So that's what I use, and it gives good flavor. Add a little salt, a pinch of salt, whatever it is. Boil out all of the salt out of mine. So I have to add salt, and see it there, pretty lovely. You're just ready for digging at it. You're just ready to have fun. So guys, have fun, enjoy Jamaican breakfast. See there, dumpling, saltfish and okra with plantains. Mwah! It's good.